Okay, so let's see what I have today. So you all are know that I have started the series of video on types of retail store or types of retail business in the world, right? And yes, of course, a few videos already have been uploaded, and you can watch that video. So these are the category. That's a category based. I'm making video, and each category will have a different kind of store. So like food and beverages, fashion and accessories, hobbies and interest, religion and belief, home and living, unique stores, health and wellness, area specific, electronic and technology, sports and outdoor, and services. Apart from that, I have given a question mark also. If you think that you have some idea, you are I have missed something, then please share in a comment box. Definitely will work on that. So let's see what I have today. Before starting, same thing, whatever I said in Hindi, also I'm going to tell you. So अभी तक बहुत सारे वीडियो में बना चुका हूँ और ये टाइप्स ऑफ स्टोर और टाइप्स ऑफ रिटेल बिजनेस मतलब रिटेल स्टोर कितने प्रकार होते हैं और रिटेल रिटेल का व्यापार क्या होता है कितना प्रकार का होता है वो सब बातों पे मैंने डिस्कशन किया था और हर एक चीज के लिए कैटेगरी होती है और कैटेगरी के अंदर बहुत सारे टाइप्स के स्टोर हो सकते हैं तो जैसे उसमें फूड एंड बेवरेज फैशन एक्सेसरीज एंड एरिया स्पेसिफिक स्पोर्ट्स आउटडोर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड टेक्नोलॉजी वगैरह वगैरह आते हैं so these are all I have uploaded video already are there and today I am going to talk about something new आज मैं नए वीडियो में नई बात का विश्लेषण करूंगा so let's see so health and wellness so today we are going to understand what are the types of store we can open under this category so the first is allopathic pharmacy so allopathic pharmacy to open this store you should have a license correct a kind of a pharmaceutical license available in your country even in our country also is available it's like a 2 years or 3 years courses in even some cases 4 years also so you can complete that course and you can have your pharmacy store and it does not require a certification if you are a big company you can hire people who have a pharmaceutical license health food store so very important nowadays everybody is looking for the healthy food and you know why it's a 2026 correct so no question I won't explain more about this wellness stores so wellness store can be a mix of health can be add on like a psychological exercise then physical exercise something like a natural so a lot of things under this can come and wellness store is not limited to any particular category or any limitation anything which subject creates a good vibrant good environment for the human being it's a wellness store optical store so I am using right now specs correct medical equipment store so of course a lot of medical accessories you need in your home also like bp machine just to check a blood pressure then you have a thermometer so these are a very normal thing I'm telling you which I am also using and you are also using correct so there are a lot of n number of medical equipments are required for the hospital and for individuals. So you can have that store. But remember this, this is also a kind of investment where you have to do huge investment compared to optical stores. So let me explain you something more about the optical store. Guys, in the world right now, whoever, if you are a human being, you need a glass after certain age, especially after 35 years between 35 to 40 you need a glasses yes you may think that you are healthy or you don't need a glass it's just like you are telling a lie yourself so this is a good option opening a optical store but remember this bit investment required here but you can recover very easily spy store you cannot ignore this store at all so nowadays we have a allopathic we have a ayurvedic spa then we have a spa just a normal only you can go to that store and you can have a body massage head massage a kind of a bathing salt bathing and fruit bathing and a lot of things they are nowadays they are adding so if you know something very good about any fruit or any kind of a natural things, you can have a spa store. Remember, for this also, I think you need a local license, local permission to open a spa, because there are a lot of SOPs are there for the government side also, and even from the medical association also. So you should follow that. Fitness center studio. So this is also very common. So maybe you have seen a lot of gym next to your house. So I'm not talking about only gym. It's a fitness store, can be your yoga store also. You can go for yoga, asan, pranayam, and all the things. And even you can go for the high extensive exercise also. Correct. And yes, daily gym work also you can have. So a lot of things. So even see that nowadays fitness stores are very famous, and you have a very good return also. But one thing, remember the huge investment needed, because you need a place where you can have a heavy weight and all the things. So rent goes up. Then you need a lot of equipments. Then again, the cost goes up. You need a well certified trainer also. Remember this. The nutrition store you cannot ignore. So a lot of stores are selling different kind of a nutrition related to your body, where you consume and you keep it yourself healthy. So I won't say nutrition means only good food. It can be a vitamin. It can be a lot of them like iron, calcium supplements, protein powder, and all the things. Correct. And apart from things like a daily uses, kind of a package item, kind of the person can have while traveling and all the things. So this is a nutrition store, and you can a lot of investment not needed, because it's a daily usable product, and generally they buy. But you should know how to do the marketing and how to reach to the people. Correct. Again, the nutrition stores is also only is a kind of niche marketing, niche store, niche business. Animal health store. So yes, it's like a premium category. Now, you will think why I'm laughing and why I just raise my, smile in a different way. Because nowadays, I'll tell you one thing. We are not getting enough medical hospital for the human being, but we are going to have a premium store for animal health care. It can be your dog. It can be your bird, correct? Anything. As per your country and as per your rules and regulation, get applicable in your area, region, and all the things. So most of the time, you will find the store where a lot of things related to dogs you will find, because people love to have a dog and cat, correct? So their food item, their accessory, their body supports, doctors, everything. Then Acha, a doctor means the clinic got added, nothing else. So doctors are very respected. Fitness equipment store. Again, it's a huge investment. So when you're opening a gym, you need a place where to buy something. So yes, you will go to fitness equipment store. Green drink store, guys, very minimum investment and maximum out. I'll request to you people, if you are really looking for the retail store, open this store. Yes, of course, you will not have a lot of customer, but high margin. I'll tell you why I'm telling you. See, green drink means what? You just take any kind of a green vegetable and just grind it, clean it, grind it, and give for. See, it's a 2026. So, and in India, if you buy one green juice, will cost you somewhere around 30 to 100 rupees, not more than that, correct? So it's kind of around $1. So investment is very less, very, very less. Hardly you will invest 5 rupees and you'll have a 30 rupees, either 80 rupees, based on your cleanness, hygiene, and all the thing. And it's very simple. Find out any park where a lot of peoples are coming. Find out the any junction where a lot of people comes in the morning, and near to college, near to university, where a lot of senior peoples are staying. Correct. Young people will not like. Yes, of course, but whoever is, nature friendly, who wants a lot of supports to health and all that, they will like this. So it's a very simple and very minimum investment, but maximum output. Remember again, the hygiene uh, required at high level. Then dermatology store, so again this is also very different stores. But remember, anything which is related to medicine, either chemical things and all the thing, you need a license in your country to open that store, correct? But if you are a giant company, so you don't need, you just hire that people and they will run your store. Ayurvedic pharmacy, so in India right now it's growing like anything. So Ayurveda has a lot of what to say, a kind of impact from the day one in our society. Remember this. If suppose I'm from India and if I get a cold, definitely I'll have a ginger tea and I'll feel okay. Correct. So Ayurvedic pharmacy and Ayurvedic word, it's like no side effect kind of things. Correct. We believe in that things. So yes, of course, again, Ayurvedic pharmacy also may need a license and need a lot of investment also, because you need a place, you need a team member and all the things. 24 hours, 365 days stores. It can be anything. It can be your medical shop. It can be your green drink shop. You can be your wellness store. You can be your optical store, spa store, anything. Then generic and organic store. So we have a generic store in India that is all promoted by our Prime Minister, and that is happening. I hope so. In all the countries, you will find a generic and organic store. Correct. So I'm just telling you about my country, nothing else. So what is a generic thing? So generic means like a very basic, there is nothing add on, and they are selling on a very uh, cheap price. I'll not say cheap, it's a good price, and they have very minimum profit margin because they won't do a lot of promotion and all the thing. So there are a lot of medicine like in India, if you see the diabetic medicines are very expensive, but if you go to our generic medical shop, you will get on a cheap rate. Same combination, same kind of a medicine, but brand will be different. Then organic stores, so again, the organic is in a fashion and organic is a basic need. But guys, remember my personal view. I am not talking about others and all the thing. Nothing is organic. Organic means what? Where you are not use any kind of a chemical. All things are happening with the help of nature. So it's kind of a different, but you can have, if you have enough sources like land, or you have enough person who can work with you. So I'll tell you, you can do wonder. You can earn any kind of a money. There are people who are ready to pay. Trust me. Why? I'll tell you one example. One of my friend, he gets his what to say, a kind of a grain like rice, correct, and utensils and all the thing from different state. So just to make sure ki it's organic. Yes. So there are people who will buy your product if you can work on a generic and organic things. Short time care center. So this is also very profitable business. It's like that I am giving you free eye checkup and just put the running optical store for 2 or 3 days and you can earn money, correct? Like anything, like a wellness store, kind of exercise, like a yoga, asana, pranayam, and all the things. So short time kind of things, correct? Spa, correct? Health food counter, correct? Anything, whatever comes in your mind, you can have and you can run the business. Uh, तो अभी आज मैंने आपको बताया कि हेल्थ और वेलनेस में, सो सेम थिंग व्हाटएवर आई सेड इन इंग्लिश आई एम टेलिंग यू हिंदी। अभी मैंने आपको बताया कि हेल्थ एंड वेलनेस में क्या क्या स्टोर ओपन हो सकता है, तो ये सारे लिस्ट हैं। और बहुत सारे और भी स्टोर हो सकते हैं इसके इस कैटेगरी के अंदर। लेकिन याद रखिएगा, जहां भी हेल्थ या वेलनेस वर्ड जुड़ जाता है वहां पे गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज आ जाती है, लाइसेंसिंग आ जाती है, और फिर उसके बाद थोड़ा बहुत इन्वेस्टमेंट भी ज़्यादा लगता है। और ये कैटेगरी एक ऐसा है जिसमें बहुत सारे हायर एजुकेटेड लोग लगे रहते हैं। ये बात को प्लीज़ आप समझिएगा कि ये कैटेगरी ही डिफरेंट है। यस। तो ये सारे चीज़ इनडायरेक्टली, डायरेक्टली हॉस्पिटल से जुड़ जाते हैं, इनडायरेक्टली, डायरेक्टली किसी के जीवन से जुड़ जाते हैं। तो आपको इसमें बहुत संभल के एंट्री करना चाहिए, लेकिन बिज़नेस बहुत अच्छा है। यस। So guys, remember one video I have uploaded which talks about how to earn, profit for the next 100 years and how to have a profit for the next 100 years. That video you must see, because in that video I have shared some basic information like whenever you are opening this store, what are the hidden thing you need to, see and how to do and what to do. So there are a lot of factors I have explained in that video, so you can go and you can watch, and then you can decide. Remember this, whenever choosing any types of store, please do your own research and development also in your particular area. Now I'll tell you one more thing. See, this is a health and wellness store I have explained. If you think that animal health store it's not there in your city, either in your taluka, a kind of a base, don't think that you need this store, because you have to see, you have to find out that how many people are having animals in their home, and second thing, whether they are willing to come to the hospital or to your store or not. Correct. So this is also you need to be very careful. Now, next thing I'll tell you, suppose you, if you're thinking you need to open a optical store, because I said everybody need glasses, lenses after certain age. That is true. But you have to see that how many optical stores are present in your city, in your district, in your taluka, and then you should decide how to do and what to do. Because competences are very high in optical industry. Optical is now become industry. Yes, trust me, that word is now is very big. Huh? So this is all about from my side. And guys, one more thing. This is just a request. Don't add more than one or three business altogether. Remember this. Don't say ki, that I'll go for all 16 number of store all together, a kind of mall, health and wellness mall kind of thing. Correct? No. I will prefer to have a one or three, maximum three combination, and see whether you can, what are the losses you can face and what are the types of profit can come easily. So you have to check yourself. And yes, of course, when you are starting any business, please keep it your capital value up to 2 to 3 years, not less than that. Guys, don't think that 3 month you'll start any business and will run. You have to wait and watch, and then the business goes in a very good way. Okay. सो आज के लिए बस इतना ही मेरे तरफ से। आप सभी लोगों को धन्यवाद। सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट फ्रॉम माय साइड टुडे, एंड इफ यू लाइक माय वीडियो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड शेयर दिस टू योर family, friends and relative. Yes, I know in my video you'll not get a lot of design drama and all the thing. I won't add because this is just a raw and based on experience I'm sharing with you. So hope the knowledge, the what I wanted to communicate, I did in my all the videos. Sometime you may face that my voice is little bit low here and there. That can be a technical problem, or sometime when you are not well and you're recording a video, so that also can have some different kind of impact. So thank you. We'll come back with a new video. Still, this series is going on. So wish you all the best. Wish you all the best, and I'll come back soon.